Your lesson essential question is, how do we find elapsed time? You know how to tell time to the nearest minute on a clock. Now we're going to be looking for what's called elapsed time. Elapsed time is how much time passes from one time to another. Janie took part in a charity walk. The walk started at 7:10 a.m. It ended at 11:20 a.m. How long did the walk last? Elapsed time is the total amount of time that passes from the starting time to the ending time. The hours between midnight and noon are AM hours. The hours between noon and midnight are PM hours. That's review from second grade. Take a look at these two clocks. We know we want to know how long the walk lasts. We know it starts at 7:10 and ends at 11:20. When I look at these clocks, it shows 7:10 and 11:20. The first thing I need to do is find the starting time. So we know the starting time is 7:10. Just a reminder, when you're telling time, the smaller hand is pointing to the hour and the longer hand is pointing to the minutes. When we're counting the minutes, we count by fives. 5, 10. So you can see it's 7:10. Now we need to count the number of hours that pass between 7:10 and 11:20. So we start at the 7, where the hour hand is beginning, and we count our hours. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. We stop at 11 because we're looking for 11:20. So there's 4 hours. 4 hours takes us to 11:10. Now we need to count our minutes. So at 11:10, we need to make it to 11:20. So we can start by counting by fives. We know we need to go to the 4 for it to be 20 minutes after. We're starting at the 2. 5, 10. So 4 hours and 10 minutes is how long the walk lasted. You can also use a number line to measure elapsed time. Janie's charity walk lasted 4 hours and 10 minutes. The number line shows the number of hours and minutes that elapsed during the walk. So 7:10 to get to 11:10 was 4 hours. Then we need to make it to 11:20, so we jump another 10 minutes to get to 11:20. After that, all you have to do is add them together, 4 hours and 10 minutes. Let's try number 4 together. Your starting time is 6:30 p.m. Looking at the clock, I see that the hour hand is between the 6 and 7, meaning that the hour is 6, and the minute hand is on the 6, so it's 6:30. Our end time is 9:50. The first thing we need to do is count our hours. So starting at the 6 all the way to the 9. 1, 2, 3 hours. Now we need to count the minutes. So from 9:30 all the way to 9:50. Remember, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes. Now we put it all together. The elapsed time is 3 hours and 20 minutes.